सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां
Yoga is a group of physical, mental, and spiritual practices which originated in ancient India. Yoga is excellent for students to make life happier. Learning yoga at an early age can have lasting and immense benefits on the overall health and well-being of the students. Therefore, we at KPS Kadma conduct yoga classes for students regularly. A presentation by students and games faculty of KPS Kadma demonstrating different asanas and their benefits. Let's begin with the Talasana. Talasana stretches your entire body right from the arms to the abdomen till your legs. It improves your posture and prepares you for the other asanas. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Vriksha Asana, the beautiful asana of balance and stability. It develops focus and concentration powers. It also strengthens the ankles, knees, and leg muscles. Hold it for 15 to 30 seconds on both the sides. Padahasta Asana stretches your spine to make it shuffle and flexible. It also improves the blood circulation within the body. Hold the asana for around 30 seconds. And then slowly come up to give the counter stress in Ardha Chakrasana. Ardha Chakrasana. It strengthens your upper back and tones your abdominal organs. It is good for the people who have postural defects. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds and then slowly come up. Trikona Asana. It strengthens and stretches your back, thigh, and leg muscles. It also reduces the blood pressure, stress, and anxiety. Hold the asana for around 10 to 15 seconds on both the sides. Moving into the sitting asanas. We first have Bhadra Asana. Bhadra Asana, the gracious posture. It strengthens the legs, tones the thighs, and makes the hips flexible. It helps to keep the mind focused and relaxed, and doesn't use meditative state. Hold the asana for around 30 seconds. Paschimottanasana Asana. The asana calms the brain and helps relieve stress and mind depression. It stretches the spine, shoulders, and hamstrings. Vajra Asana. This asana helps in digestion and cures stomach disorders. It reduces fat from the lower body and makes it flexible. Hold it for around 15 to 30 seconds. Ushtra Asana. It improves digestion and respiration. It relieves lower back pain and stretches the shoulders and back muscles. Hold the asana for 15 to 30 seconds. Shashank Asana gives a good relaxing. Stretch your upper back and pelvic muscles. This asana relaxes the mind and relieves depression. Hold it for around 30 seconds. Uttan Manduk Asana. Like the Manduk Asana, this asana to improve the functioning of the pancreas. It also stimulates the functioning of lungs and lower fat level in the waist region. With deep breaths, hold it for 15 to 30 seconds. Vakra Asana. It increases the elasticity of the spine and the tones in the spinal nerves. It also massages the abdominal organs and helps to reduce the belly fat. Practice the asana on both the sides for around 30 seconds. Next, we move to the prone postures. And first is Makra Asana. This asana relaxes and heals the entire spine. In fact, this pose is best for relaxing after doing other prone lying asanas. Bhujanga Asana. This is one of the best backward bending posture for healing and strengthening the spine as well as toning the abdominal organs. Hold the asana from 30 seconds to 1 minute. Next, we move to the supine lying postures, and the first is Setu Bandh Asana. Setu Bandh Asanas is a therapeutic and healing posture. It stretches the chest, neck, spine and hips. The asana also improves blood circulation and calms the brain and nervous system. Hold it for 15 to 30 seconds. Uttan Padasana, the raised leg posture. This asana helps to tone the abdomen, thighs and hips. It also cures the disorders of stomach ache and aid in digestion. Hold the asana with deep breaths and try to retain it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Let's now do the Ardha Halasana, half pala posture. This asana is very good to reduce the belly fat and stimulate the functioning of abdominal organs. It improvises digestion and appetite and also stimulates the blood circulation. Hold it for about 30 seconds with a deep breath and then slowly come down. Last but not the least, we now practice Pawan Mukta Asana. This asana cures acidity and digestion. It is also healing asana for the back problems. Hold it for 15 to 30 seconds and then slowly come down. Purna Vrishchika Asana. The asana is a great way to strengthen your torso and back and get rid of stubborn fat from these areas. It also helps to strengthen your arms and your shoulders. Shavasana we practice at the end of all asanas. It relaxes and rejuvenates the entire physical, mental and the spiritual self. It releases fatigue, stress and tension. Practice Savasana for about 5 to 10 minutes.